Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first we should go into the phone application, and after that click on the right upper corner here on the three dots. Then just click here to the settings, and you'll see here the blocked numbers section. Click here once, and now we can see here there's two blocked numbers. So now just to unblock one from this number, or just to remove the number from the blacklist, you should click here on this X icon and just confirm your the changes by click here again to unblock. And as can you see that we got here the message that this number unblocked successfully. By the same way we can just unlock the second number. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.